How to fix Apple Watch with a flashing Apple logo. Step 1. Check your software. Ensure that your Apple Watch is running the latest version of watchOS. Here's how. Update your iPhone. Settings, General, Software Update. Then, on your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app. Tap the My Watch tab and go to General, Software Update, and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Charge your watch. Step 3. Force restart your watch. Simply press and hold both the side button and digital crown until you see the Apple logo. Then release the buttons. Your watch will restart, and you can use it again like normal. Step 4. Factory reset. 1. Put your watch on its charger and do not move it until these steps are completed. 2. Press and hold the side button until the power off screen appears. 3. Press and hold the digital crown until you see Erase all content and settings. 4. And follow the on-screen instructions. 5. When you are done, you can set up your watch again. You can also restore from a backup.